Stop doing things the old way, let robots handle it instead. You won't believe how much the robotics revolution is already transforming our world. I bet you didn't know just how much robotics is already shaping our daily lives. Imagine a city in the near future. The sun rises over gleaming towers, but the morning routine is transformed. Homes hum quietly as intelligent devices clean, brew coffee, and toast bread to your exact preference. This isn't science fiction, it's the world we're building, where automation is woven into daily life. Outside, delivery drones zip through the sky and self-driving cars glide through streets. These aren't just conveniences, they're reshaping society and the nature of work. The robotics revolution is here, changing how we live and interact. The story of robotics is about more than technology, it's about our future. Our choices now will determine the future of automation. Hey there, if you enjoy learning about robotics, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. The robotics revolution starts quietly, with the soft whir of a robotic vacuum. These small machines navigate our homes, cleaning while we focus on other things. Beyond vacuums, robots now mop floors, clean windows, and mow lawns, freeing up our time. Automation gives us back our most precious resource time. In the kitchen, robotic arms are learning to chop, mix, and cook, hinting at a future where meals are prepared automatically. As technology improves, these machines will become more affordable and common. For many, especially the elderly or those with disabilities, home robots offer newfound independence. A robotic arm can help reach high shelves. Automated cleaning systems support those with limited mobility. These aren't just gadgets, they're essential partners improving quality of life. As robots become more integrated, they'll quietly manage daily tasks, making life smoother for everyone. The promise of domestic robotics is a life with less labor and more enjoyment. Accessibility and convenience are at the heart of this trend. The future home is one where robots work in the background, supporting our lives. The revolution is already underway. Robotics is transforming healthcare, saving lives, and improving care. Surgical robots enable doctors to perform complex operations with unmatched precision, leading to faster recovery for patients. Automated delivery robots transport supplies and medications, freeing staff to focus on patient care. Robots never tire or forget, making hospitals more efficient and reducing errors. Robotic companions monitor vital signs, remind patients about medication, and provide social interaction, especially for the elderly or isolated. These machines can connect patients to family and alert emergency services if needed. The goal isn't to replace doctors and nurses, but to empower them with better tools. Robotics in healthcare is about partnership, combining human compassion with machine efficiency. The potential to improve health outcomes is enormous. The future of care is collaborative. Robots have long worked in factories, but today's machines are smarter and more flexible. Early robots were caged, repetitive, and dangerous. Now, collaborative robots, or cobots, work safely alongside humans. Cobots use sensors and cameras to avoid accidents, allowing people and machines to share the assembly line. This flexibility enables factories to quickly switch between products, embracing agile manufacturing. Robots can be reprogrammed in minutes, letting companies respond to changing demands and produce customized goods. Automation boosts productivity, lowers costs, and improves product quality. Robots don't tire or make mistakes. However, traditional factory jobs are disappearing, replaced by roles that require new technical skills. Workers must now learn to program, operate, and maintain advanced robotic systems. The factory of the future will need fewer but more highly skilled people. This shift is transforming manufacturing and the workforce. Agile factories are more dynamic and responsive than ever. The impact of automation is profound. Efficiency, quality, and adaptability are the new standards. The challenge ensuring workers can adapt to this new reality. The future of industry is collaborative, not just automated. Factories are evolving, so must we. Robotics is moving beyond factories into the service sector, retail, food service, and logistics. Once thought safe from automation, these jobs are now being transformed by AI and robotics. In logistics, robots speed up warehouse operations, and self-driving trucks and drones are testing the future of delivery. In food service, robots flip burgers, make pizzas, and serve coffee, working around the clock with consistent results. Retail is changing too, with self-checkout kiosks and robots managing inventory and assisting customers. The transition will be challenging, requiring new approaches to education and training. The future of service work depends on how we manage this shift. We're entering a new era, robots powered by artificial intelligence. AI gives machines the ability to perceive, learn, and make decisions, transforming them from simple tools into intelligent agents. This leap is leading to humanoid robots, machines that look and move like us, designed to operate in human environments. Humanoids could work in homes, hospitals, factories, or disaster zones, handling tasks that require versatility. Imagine a robot caregiver for the elderly, or a rescue worker in dangerous situations. These aren't just ideas. Companies are building them now, and progress is rapid. But with intelligent machines come big questions: ethics, rights, and the impact on humanity. If robots can think and learn, what responsibilities do we have toward them? How do we ensure these technologies are used for good? The rise of thinking machines forces us to reconsider our place in the world. These are no longer philosophical questions, they're urgent, practical challenges. The future will be shaped by how we answer them. The age of AI-powered robots is here. The robotics revolution is changing every part of our lives: homes, hospitals, factories, and the economy. Automation brings efficiency and abundance, but also disrupts jobs and creates new challenges. The transition won't be easy. Many will need new skills and support. We must guide this revolution with wisdom, ensuring its benefits are shared by all. The technology is neutral. Our choices will determine its impact. We need thoughtful policies, education, and social support to help people adapt. The future we build depends on the conversations and decisions we make today. Will automation create a fairer world or deepen inequality? The risks are real, but so is the potential for good. The story of robotics is still being written, and we are all part of it. Our actions now will shape tomorrow's world. It's time to reflect, act, and build a future that's just and humane. The automated horizon awaits. Let's navigate it together.